Hi, I'm Holly Berec, and I'm a graduate of Conestoga College, and now I work at the Brant County SPCA. I love working at the SPCA because it's such a small shelter. Everybody has a say in everything, and you get to do something different every single day, and you get to work right here in Brantford where it matters and the most to me. I decided to come to Conestoga because I am born and raised in Brantford, and I was looking to upgrade my skills. I already had a diploma and was working in a field with animals, but I wanted to be able to do more and have more responsibility, and I was able to stay in town and keep working with the SPCA while I did my studies. I had previously worked there and was actually volunteering as a foster home raising kittens. I was also working as a registered vet tech at a vet clinic in town. So my program was 3 years long. I first did the 2-year office administration executive track, and then I did my graduate certificate, which was the 1-year program. I loved how small the class sizes were. I knew the instructors very well, and they knew all of us and were able to help us personalize everything that we learned to what we were interested in, because we all had different interests and were going into different fields, but we were able to work together and build on each other's strengths that way. Being able to stay in town right with my family made a big difference. I love Brantford because it's the community that raised me, and it's the community that I want to give back to. There's a lot of room for improvement. Right now we're working to rebuild our SPCA, so we're looking to use all of those skills that I've learned at Conestoga in our new facility.